Do you have eyelid twitchings and wonder what it could mean? Well, look no further, because if you are experiencing eyelid twitchings, here I will be discussing all about the causes and what you can do to alleviate it. Hi friends, I am Dr. Poonam Sharma. I am a qualified ophthalmologist with a postgraduate master's degree in the subject, and in this channel I will be talking about eye problems and their solutions. I would also be discussing about nutrition, weight loss, intermittent fasting and what have you. So do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. You do want to be notified about my latest videos, don't you? So now talking about eyelid twitchings, the most important cause is eyelid myokymia, wherein the orbicularis oculi muscle, which is the muscle of the eyelid, and the nerve associated with it, when they become overactive, leads to this condition. This usually happens in the lower lid, but it might happen in the upper lid as well. Usually it lasts for seconds to hours, but in some cases it might last for days and even weeks, and in that case a visit to the ophthalmologist is necessary. As an ophthalmologist, I like to rule out certain conditions which may be serious, so do keep watching till the end of the video to really find out what those conditions could be. Now talking further about eyelid myokymia, let us discuss about the factors that can trigger this. So some factors like fatigue, lack of sleep, caffeine, stress, dry eye and eye strain. These can trigger the onset of eyelid myokymia. Now fatigue or lack of sleep. So on an average, a person requires 7 to 9 hours of sleep every day. This might vary from person to person, but on an average this holds true. So taking care of one's sleep is a very important factor. So you should consider maintaining optimum sleep environment with a proper sleep hygiene, and try to have a regular sleep schedule which is in alignment with your body's circadian rhythm, because then it releases adequate melatonin which ensures the onset of good quality sleep. The next factor is stress. Stress could be from workplace or from other causes. So eliminating stress will eliminate this condition too. Try breathing exercises, try meditation, try CBT or cognitive behavioral therapy, and this will help you. The third factor is caffeine. Caffeine is not only present in coffee, but in some teas, even in some green teas. So in case you are suffering from eyelid twitching and they are very frequent, then do consider reducing your caffeine intake. Dry eyes and digital eye strain. If you are suffering from dry eyes, try using lubricants like Systane and Refresh Tears. Also for digital eye strain, do consider the 20-20-20 rule, wherein after working on the monitor for 20 minutes, take a break of 20 seconds to blink your eyes and then look at a distance of 20 feet. This will help relax your eyes and this will further eliminate eyelid twitching. So these are some of the common factors, and if you take care of these factors, then most probably chances are that you will help reduce the frequency and intensity of the eyelid twitching. This was all about benign eyelid twitching, which is bothersome but nothing to worry about. But if these twitchings occur very frequently and if they last for longer durations, then as an eye specialist, I would like to rule out certain conditions. So here I would like to discuss about eyelid twitchings and what you should do about it. If the twitching is in one muscle, in one lid and on one side of the face, then it is eyelid myokymia. And taking care of the triggering factors that I just mentioned would help eliminate this. But in case these twitchings happen not only in the eye but in the middle and the lower part of the face, on one side of the face, then it could be facial myokinesia. Hemifacial spasm is a disorder of the cranial nerve 7 or the facial nerve, and here there are painless involuntary twitchings of this nerve on one side of the face, and it could be very distressing in social situations and even disturb sleep and vision. Now these conditions could be indicative of brain tumor and multiple sclerosis. So a brain MRI needs to be done to rule them out. There's another condition wherein both the eyelids, the muscles of the eyelids are thrown into a grimace like condition. So there are involuntary closure of the eyelids like this, and the face is thrown into a grimace. This is benign essential blepharospasm and a benign condition as the name suggests. So if you are suffering from this, then you need to consider Botox because that really helps. So this was all about eyelid twitching, and as I mentioned, if it lasts for longer durations or if it is very frequent, do visit an ophthalmologist because he will do certain tests to rule other conditions out. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. You do want to be updated about the new videos that I upload. So looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Keep watching.